Hi, in this video, I will show you how to make to-do list with Excel VBA user form. It's fully dynamically. First of all, go to my websites and click the download. This file, it's download. Just open it. I already open it. If you have any issue, just go to the file location or download location and go to property and check it, unblock and apply it. Okay. When you open it, you see this type of the view. We have a dates from 1st January to 31 December 2025 and start date is at 1st January 2020. When you click the calendar, you see this type of the view. This is a dynamically calendar. When you choose any years or month, you select a date, you see here the column automatically activate. See here, when you choose any date, the mouse cursor is automatically move. For example, we add here the this time is the lunch time and 11 to 12 we meeting with Sam. Okay, we just add it. See here the lunch time added and meeting with the Sam added and top of the time. And if you want to add any note, just add the meetings, click it, save the note sections. If you go to another cell, see here it's blank and door is activate. We go to the 2nd January, 1st February, and if you want to change anything, meeting with Ali, just click the change. Here you automatically update your current data. If you want to delete, just click here, delete this icon and delete the notes. You easily delete any data, adds and updates. This is 3 buttons in here and here is the calendars, and this calendar I not make at myself. This is I download the ready-mades. I show you where this link. This is the link inside the file. You easily download in calendar and use any your relatives file. Okay, we understand the codes. We go first of all, this all is a user form code. You easily copy it and embed at your site. The code explanation first, these 2 lines is a declare the global variables. The global variables mean you use any modules in when you type in the global the outside of the procedure. Okay, this is a declared by global variables and this is a save button code and this all is the delete button. This core we add a because the global variable I use this call to another subject. Okay, this all is the deleted buttons. This icon button I will show you again. I run it. This icon button, this code. This is the change button codes. This is the find and last row and add the entries. And this is user form initialization codes. This is a set calendar equal to new calendar and it's populated by me.frame. See here. Now we not have a calendar and this is the frame 1. When you run it, calendar is automatically populate. I will show you. We have 2 big modules in here. Just copy my file and otherwise go to the this websites and download this calendar. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.